version. So as you can see, I have, sorry, there is a fatal error and program will exit. Okay, so let's check once again. So as you can see, Java hyphen version. So our Java version is OpenJDK version is 1.80 and something. Okay, so let's install the Jenkins on this server. So go to the official website. Here is the official website for the Jenkins. So or you can by type here install Jenkins. Install Jenkins. Once you search for this, go to the first website, and in this first website you have to select your operating system or the platform. Okay, so right now I have the Linux version. Click on the Linux, and in Linux I have the Fedora system right now. And if you have Ubuntu, you can say select for Ubuntu. So right now I have a Fedora, and go to the Fedora version. Yes, so this is the Fedora, and run this commands. So first we need to run this command. Okay, let's run this. And so I'm going to install the LTS version, long-term support version. Yes, paste this command and enter. So it is resolved, and save it to the repo is successfully. Now try to ls. Okay, and now run this again, this one. Yes, second command is this dnf upgrade. So it will check our locally packages. Okay, all the things are already updated, and now install the Jenkins. Go to this section, and we can directly go through this command, or we can also install the some packages like check config or jdk. It will ask me to install the Java 11 version, so we can easily install. If you don't have, so we can install it from previous command. So I'm right now I'm going to update my Java. And the last command is dnf install Jenkins. So this is our last command, and you can run Jenkins on the any OpenJDK version like 11 or 8, but you cannot run on the 16 version because 16 is not supported by the Jenkins. So that's why we need to install the 11 or the 8 version Java. Okay, it is completed. Now install the Jenkins. DNF install Jenkins. So it will install the Jenkins here, and yes, once I click this, it will start the downloading. As you can see on my screen, so Jenkins is successfully installed, and now first it is working on the by default port number is 8080. Let's check the IP address of this machine. So we can check with this command ipconfig. As you can see, the IP address of my machine is 192.168 and 203. So this is my IP address of that machine. Let's open this IP address into the browser, and 192.168.1.203 and with the port number 8080. If it is not running, so let's check with the services it's running or not. System ctl status Jenkins Jenkins service is not found. And now check with another Jenkins service is not found. Let's check once again. Okay, Jenkins is installed and not. Okay, ifconfig. Let's go to this panel, and as you can see, service is not started into the Linux machine. So we need to install, uh, reload the daemon here, and this is the command for reload the daemon. Copy and paste it into here. Let's paste this. So once, yes, and now daemon is reloaded. Now we have to start the services. I am already on the sudo user, so let's check with this command first. Systemctl status. So service is inactive. We need to start this service. Systemctl start and Jenkins. Okay, so it will start my service. Also, we need to run the one more command is here. Systemctl enable Jenkins. So whenever my machine restarts, so it will automatically start the Jenkins service into my machine. Enable. So as you can see, Jenkins service is not a service, and redirect to the install executing this. Okay, so Jenkins is enabled right now, and go to the section this one and reload this once again. Now try to restart once again. Systemctl restart Jenkins started, and now check with the browser once again. If it is not working, so we have to check the SE Linux is disabled or not. So go to the Linux and check the version SE status. So it is right now enabled. We have to disable this to use the Jenkins on this server. So to disable this, we need to run a command here. This is the command for disable for temporary purposes, or you can also run this command. You can also run this command to disable this. Sorry, I missed. Yes. And to disable with permanent, so we can go through a file into it. This is the file. You can go through it and disable it permanently. Here you can see enforcing. So we can type it here, disabled. Disabled. Okay, done. And now save this file. Okay, we temporary based set disabled. Okay, now we need to restart our server. So let's wait for the server restart. Yes, I am connected successfully and open a new window. Now try to SE Linux. Sorry, let me update the. Yes, now SESTATUS. So it is disabled, and now start the Jenkins service. System CTL start Jenkins. Yeah, Jenkins is started, and now check with the browser once. So here I am on the browser. My IP is 202. Enter. Sorry, it's take caching because I have previously run the Nginx server on that. So it's take caching. Right now I have password for that. So let's copy this path and paste into here. Cat and yes. So this is my admin password right now, and Let's copy this and paste it here. Yes. Now click on the continue button and I'm go with the install suggested plugins. So click on that and it will take some time. Give the username and password over here. So I'm giving the Cloud Akshay and password I set as default. Akshay, and I said the email ID is learn@cloudakshay.in. Okay, now save and continue. Okay, the installation URL is Jenkins URL is this. Now save and continue. Jenkins is completely installed, and now now this is the dashboard. We will discuss it in another video. So let's wait for this and keep subscribe and share this channel. So in this video, we cleared all the doubts related to your Jenkins installation if the Jenkins is not working, and what is the dependency related to the Jenkins installation. So hope you'll enjoy and learn. So let's meet in another video. Thank you. Keep share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.